Welcome back, everyone. So we are working on this Accra fabric, as you can see, very lovely and beautiful. So we are going to work with it with a sheep dress. And please stay tuned and watch the video down to the end. And also subscribe if you have not done that. Subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. Share it for others to see so that they too can see and learn and watch. So let's get started now. I will be folding my fabric so that we'll get started with the measurements. So this is what I'm going to do. So let me fold it so that we start with our measurements. So this is what I'm doing here now. So fold the front piece first. So we are working on the first, like the front piece. So this is the size I would like us to use. I will also use my tape to check it to see what I folded will be enough. So let me check it with my tape. So this is what I'm going to use. So yes, we are going to work on this, the one that I just folded now. So let me cut it out so that we work on this part that we have folded now. I'll start from the upper part and place my tape like this and take the measurements. So what I'm marking now is the length. My length is 41 inches. So this is my 41 inches, adding 2 inches for the hem and line. So that means we have 43. So this is the line that we will work on now, 43 inches. So after that now, I'll go ahead now to measure my shoulder. My shoulder is 15 inches divided by 2. That will give us 7.5 inches. So I will mark my 7.5 inches like this. And after that, I will use my ruler to roll it like this. So that is the line for the shoulder. After my shoulder now, I will go ahead now to measure from the upper part again, that's starting from the shoulder, to measure to get my chest line, and my chest line is 8 inches. So that's my chest line, 8 inches. Then I will mark my neckline. My neckline is 3 inches. So I'm marking 3 inches, bringing it down. I will also go ahead now to mark 3 inches down and then curve it like this, because it's a round neck that we are making. Then after that, to get my slope for the shoulder, I will slope it by ½ inch. I'll also use my ruler to roll it to slope it like this. So that is it. So I've done that. So now the next step now is to measure the bust. It's a sheep dress that we are making, so it will not be too tight on the body. The bust that we are making, our bust is 36 inches, but I will make it up to 42 inches. So why doing that? Because we want it to be free a little. So let me take it up to 40 inches, not 42. So I'm marking 42 inches to make it to be free. And then coming to my underbust, my underbust is 13 inches. So that's my 13 inches. So then I will also make it to be free a little. So what I will marking there is 38 inches. So I'm marking 38 inches, and then that is what we'll just work on. So after that, I will go ahead now to mark from my chest line, placing my tape like this to mark 2 inches to curve my armhole. I'm using my ruler to do that, and I will curve it like this. So that is my armhole curve, using 2 inches to curve it. So after that, it's just to connect from the bust to the underbust that we just measured now. So then mark it like this. So I will just take it and fly it like this, that is to free it down. So that is what I'm doing here now. So I'll just free it down because our dress is fit dress that we are making. So just to take it. So coming to the down part at the hemline side, I will make it up to 42 inches like this. So I want that down side to be free. So I'll take it and use my ruler now to connect the line. So that is it. So we have finished marking the front piece. So that is how the front piece will be. And then also to remember to mark my back neckline, try to bring it down, going by 1.5 inches, and then connect it like this. It's a round neck also at the back. So that is it. So the next step now is to cut it out. So let me do that and cut it out. Cutting now, starting from the neckline at the back side of it, that is what I'm cutting out first, because we will now use this one to cut it at the back piece later. So what we are working on is the front piece. Remember that. So please subscribe to my channel if you're not done that, and also watch my video down to the end, please, and subscribe. I want you to subscribe and also share my video for others to see, so that they too can see and watch and also learn. So please do that if you're not done that, and also have your fabric so that you too can also cut it by yourself and sew, so that you can wear out. You can see how it is now. So let me use this piece now to cut the back piece. Set my back piece now, so I will use my front piece that we just cut out now and lay on it, and it will have a zipper at the zip side. So that is what I'm placing now. So this is how you are going to make your own when making your own. So I'm just trying to fix to get my zipper side, and I'm going to add 1.5 inches for the zipper. So it's 1.5 inches that I folded for the zipper side, and then we'll just use this front piece that we cut out and cut the back piece, because we already work on the front piece. So we'll just use it to cut it now, and that's what I'm doing now. So please watch this video down to the end and see everything that we are doing here, and also do it for yourself so that you too can cut it on your own, and also share it for others to see, please, and subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and also comment. For the comment section, if you comment, I will see that, and I will also reply you when I see it. So please do that, and also have your fabric so that you can cut it on your own. So I'm opening the zipper side now. So let me shift it very well so that the camera can capture it and see everything that we are doing here. So I want you guys to see what we are doing and also do it on your own. Please try and do it so that you can really know what we are doing here. So cutting the front neckline is what I'm doing. You can see the way I place my scissors, not for it to temper at the back cutting. So this is it. So you see our round cutting now. So I will go and sew it now. That is the neckline. I also bring it out for you to see, so that we now join the body part. So before then, let's cut the sleeve. So I want to cut out my sleeve now. So I've cut the one that we want to work on. So what I folded here, I folded it in two. So I'm cutting the two sleeve at once. So the weight is 8 inches. And to bring down the armhole curve, I'm going to mark 2 inches like this. And then from this point, I will just take it like this and curve it like this. So the round sleeve is 12 inches. So that is 6. So I will make it up to 13 inches, so that we'll have the one that will sew out. So then I will just connect it like this, and then we'll cut. So that is for the sleeve. I hope you understand. So I will just cut it like this. So then we'll go and stitch it and come and sew it to the main shape dress that we are making. So this is the two sleeve now. So this is how it is. So this one of it, and this is the second side of the sleeve. So let me go and sew the dress now. and come and fix it together. So we are joining the body together now. So we'll start with our measurement from the bust. Now our bust is 40. So this is our 40. So what we do now, just mark 1 inch this way, 1 inch this way. So for the under bust, so we just take it like this. The under bust is 36. So this is our 36. Also 1 inch. So mark 1 inch like this. Come to this side of it, 1 inch, and just connect it like this. Because since it's a free dress that will not be too tight, so just take it down like this. Take it, so connect it like this, and just take it. So let it be free a little. So this I'm going to go and join it to the back, and we'll now face our sleeve. So let me do that now by joining the back together. I've joined it now, like the body together, so it's to face the sleeve, and here is our sleeve that we're going to face. So I'll go and face it like this. That is, let me turn the front side. So we're going to face it to the armhole round, and then it will be ready. And also face the second sleeve, and the sheep dress will be ready. So let me do that and take it to the machine to go and stitch together now. Our dress is ready, as you can see. So it came out good. So you can see the way we did it and the way we cut it, and we also achieve the style. You can see the sleeve and you can see the neckline, the baby neckline, and all came out good. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. Please subscribe. Don't forget to share it for others to see, so that they too can learn and watch. And also have your fabric so that you can cut this kind of style and sew by yourself. And also, if you don't understand this style, please watch the video again so that you can know all the details that we did, and you can also sew it for yourself. Thank you once more for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.